please close your eyes. Okay, that is over 10 seconds. Please open again. What do you feel? And what is your feeling? Okay, anyone answer me? Okay, and for that 10 seconds, it isn't the time for you to have a birthday wishes. Sunny Lisa gave a very good sample is that, think about 10 seconds just pass by. You cannot realize that 10 seconds. But for all the people, for some of the people, for the contestant who overtime 2 seconds, for the racer, he just lose 1 second. That's very, very important to him or her. So time flies so fast, we cannot understand what we cannot realize if you really think about it. But Sunny just gave us a very, very good example and pointed out to let us know that time flies very quickly. For example, you can know that you can guess how old I am right now. Please answer 18, okay? Actually, I'm the second year of my master right now, and it is 20-something. And I'm also working and studying right now. You can know that if you go to work, you are very admired for all the students. Working is totally hard work. You have to wake up at 8 o'clock, no, 6 o'clock in the morning, and you have to go to work at 8 o'clock, and you have to work overnight to 9 o'clock, and also join Toastmaster Club, and go back to home, burn the midnight oil, you have to wake up at 6 o'clock. So time flies very fast, and that is very important for all the students to realize that time is very, very short and fly very fast. And Sunny gave us a very, very good point. The 2 points, the first one is set up the goal. You can set up your goal for yourself, and then time management. We always will think about how to set a goal. That is the point we have to learn right now. And Sunny gives a very good point. And I like her body, conclusion, and opening. Just like she just made all her story and shared it to all of us. And your personal story is the most persuasive thing. Because tell your own story, you had that feeling before, and you share it to all the people in front of you. And that is the point you want to share. Although there's very good things, but there's some suggestion I want to give to the speaker. That is, you can know that for time management, that is your main purpose. But you just only use 5 minutes and 31 seconds. But actually you have 5 to 7 minutes, then you have more than 1 minute or even 2 minutes to go. So please use your time well. You can plan more things what you think about and share more feeling to all the people. And then we can know that today is your C9 speech. Yes, it is C9. It is the title on the agenda. It's the ways persuade with power. Please more power thing, and make more organized about your opening, body, and conclusion. Your opening is very good, but your body is a kind of storytelling, not very persuasive, will not have so much power. So maybe you can try yourself to make something that's very powerful or persuasive, and let everyone know that, wow, that is the feeling I learned today. And that, if you do that, then you can make it. And although there are some suggestions and audio, we can know that we learn a lot. And I have a very, very strong feeling about that because students, worker, and also the Toastmaster governor, that is totally have to learn how to do time management. And today I learned a lot from Sunny, and I like to share all this feeling to all you guys. Thank you so much. Good night, everybody.
To me, Justin is a very impressive young man. In DJ's presentation, he showed us a lot of great Taiwanese companies, Acer, Wisdom, Quantum Computers. I am very sure that one day Justin will be the leader of one of these companies, or he'll go out and he'll create his own company. The reason he's going to be successful is because in Toastmasters he's learned a lot of excellent leadership skills. Now, our next evaluator is a man who you've already met this evening. He is very handsome. He currently serves as the Vice President. No, it's not me. He currently serves as the Vice President of Public Relations for the John Lee Toastmasters Club. He also serves as the Area E3 Assistant Governor of Education and Training. I know that doesn't mean a lot to you, but it's very important. And he is also Bill Gates' son-in-law. Please join me in welcoming our next evaluator, Mr. Orson Shu.
Thank you, Benjamin. I like that title, the last title. Okay, Julie, where is Julie? Here. Oh, there you go. Congratulations, Julie. And your speech really impressed us because I couldn't believe you're just a student, but you had a great and unique, unexpectable life experience as a student. Congratulations. I was surprised because as a student, most of students, they don't have this kind of feeling. They don't have this kind of experience. So, you have this kind of experience. That's why this speech can be very meaningful. Persuade with power, C9 speech. What brings you the power? The core value, the message. That was very strong. At the beginning of the speech, you mentioned about waiting and chasing. Waiting and chasing. That's a good stuff because that makes audience thinking about what is waiting and chasing and what's the outcome, what's the results if you just waiting there and chasing there. So we are looking forward to your body, right? Because you make the audience involved into your speech deeply and then we're waiting for your body and expanding a lot. That's a good start. And of course, the story, a good story about your father. Health, right? Your father, he's sick. So, that was very touched. That was very touched. The real story can be always very touched and supportive and persuasive. But a little bit is next time. Because you mentioned the process about how your father is sick. But what's the conclusion? You didn't mention. You just end up with the rest of a song, right? That's a good one. But maybe next time let's try it. What happened after your father recovered, getting healthier? What have you changed after you realize how important your father's health is? What changed you? And that can be a strong point, right? And as you evaluate, there are a few more suggestions, more example. And you got a good time control, 6 minutes, 20 seconds. But there is another 40 seconds to 7 minutes, or even extension 30 seconds. That will be still qualified. So maybe next time you can do more example. Like I believe lots of example in the student life about waiting and chasing. As I know, I was a student too, right? I'm always waiting for the KTV timing and chasing. I'm always chasing the girls. But what did I get? I got nothing after graduating. So I believe lots of this kind of case in university, 有你玩4年 yeah, after graduate. So that was a